Hey there guys, I would like to invite you all to come and check out the new Prizecp Fun House. We have added a lot of new stuff since the last time you saw it, so let's go and check it out. And here's the biggest challenge. We have added these falling platforms. If you make it all the way to the end, there is a prize all the way at the end on the other side, but you gotta make it through all the falling platform and you gotta make it through this fading platform. Let's see if I can do it. You see there's a prize over there, and let me see. Oh, whoa, I almost made it. So this new edition is the biggest challenge right now. Let's see who can do it. And in addition to that, we have added many other cool stuff, so come and check it out. Until next time, we'll see you again in our next tutorial. Peace.